Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my finds. So I got this parcel from Gourmetifics. I saw the product, I fell in love with it. I just wanted to get one for myself because I thought it was so convenient and everything about it was just what I wanted. So why not unbox this product with me while we see what's in it. So if you've been following me for a while, you would know how my love for pink products, pink pots, most especially. I love my cookwares to be very, exquisite, very luxurious because I feel like it makes my cooking, better. It makes me enjoy cooking. I even sometimes feel like it makes whatever I cook sweeter. I don't know, it's just my mindset. It's just what I always think. So I try to do everything to make things, stand out for me in my kitchen because that's where I spend most of my time, if not all of my time. So yes, I got this beautiful product. It's something I do not have. It's something I had never seen before because it's detachable. All the hands are detachable. It's a pot. It's a storage pot as well. It's a storage can. It shares all the utensils with each other. It's just beautiful. And whoever thought of this design, I call the person a genius. And then for health reasons and all of that, you know that your pot should be non-stick, so you don't allow particles in your food, and those are the things that cause cancer and all of that. So we don't want that, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and read some of the descriptions on the box. Detachable, non-stick, heat resistant, even heating, stylish design. Of course, I agree with that because I think this set is very stylish. Let's unbox it so you'd see. You would know that you have never seen anything like this before. So yes, let's unbox this little product and see what's in it. Guys, if you like my box opener, I got it from Amazon as well. It was very cheap. I think it was like $3 for a pack of 3. I have it in 3 different colors, so you can actually check that out as well. So yes, this is my pot. These are the covers, guys. They have lots of colors. They had lilac, they had pink, they had white, they had a black one, they had some minty green one. But I had already bought this product a while ago and I had already bought some other products since. So I totally forgot I had a pink pot before. And then this came in. So now I have lots of pink pots. But I mean, I still love it. Pink is my favorite color in cookware. So I don't mind, And then my sisters can also come around. I want to take some of them anyway. So yeah, pink pots are my thing. So this is just the cover, guys. This cover is silicone. The white part you're seeing on this cover, it's actually silicone. It's bendable. So when I say the pot is 100% safe, it is. This is the storage cover. So basically for the pot, if you don't want to put things in maybe another canister to store it in the fridge, this pot also acts as a storage can. Can you imagine that? So these are just the cover, the lid for the pot if you want to use it as a storage. I'm going to demonstrate it for you later in this video and you see how it is. So this is another size of the storage can. So you see that the pot has just 2 covers and 2 lids because they all share the parts of the pot together, which is also good when it comes to storage. When you actually want to store it in your cupboards and all of that, you don't have a lot of things that are just occupying space. So guys, this is the hand of the pot. Like I said, it's detachable. So this is what it looks like. This is such a brilliant idea, brilliant design. Whoever came up with this thought about storage for people that have really small kitchens and really small storage spaces. So this is how it works. You just click it, it releases, and then you click it back and then it grips your pot. I said this before, it's a genius idea. The person that thought about it thought about us as well. So that's great for me. So yes, this is what it looks like. It's really cute. It comes in a second pair. I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate what this does for more visual presentation of it. Taking out the storage paper and then I'm just going to click it so you'd see. So basically, I was actually touching the pot because I couldn't believe how, coated the pot is. It's so coated. It's so nice. and you can see I clicked it and then locked it, and then it's quite sturdy, it's strong, nothing is going to make it pull off. And then when you have like a lot of things cooking at the same time, it's not going to, you have to turn the hand of your pot so it doesn't touch the other one on one side on the cooker. So yeah, you can just put all of these pots on your stove, and then you can take all the hands out so you don't have like mess of all the hands sticking out of the cookware and making a mess. So just for safety purpose, just basically you're just putting like bowls all around your cooker, and then it just makes things easier. You don't have to tip it over or be bothered about kids running around the cooker and then tipping off the hand or any accident in the kitchen, which is actually very brilliant as well. So this works. So where you want to store, maybe the food cools down, you can just put up this cover and then you store it in the fridge, and then it just makes sense. So this is the rest of the pots in the box. I've never seen a pot that has so much. I think it's like a 5 set or so. There were a lot. Usually I see 3 sets, 4 sets, and then pans, but there were actually a lot of deep pots in this box, which also attracted me to the product. And I just think, why not? More for less. So that makes sense. I'm just trying the hand on the rest of the pots to actually see that it works. Like I said, these hands came in a pair, so that's 2. Then you use those 2 for all of the pots. And then the covers too come in 2s in a pair as well, and you use the covers for all of the pots. It's 2 different sizes, and it works for all the pots. That's the most amazing thing about this product. It works for all the pots. And I have to fix this myself. As you can see, it's silicone just to fix the handle. Usually with some other pots, you have to use maybe screwdrivers or something. But this was actually very easy, guys. Just put the screw under, and then you just twist and turn, and then it's just gonna lock really tight. And then if you want to remove it for some reason, although I see no reason why someone would want to take it off, but if you want to remove it, just unscrew it anti-clockwise, and then it's done. And this was quite sturdy as well, guys. As you can see, the cover is also silicone, so that helps with hot pot covers when they are on the cooker. So this cover works, and then you see that little space there, that's for where the handle goes in when you're putting it on your stove. So you just click in the handle there, and then you're good to go. And when you're done, you take off the cover, use the lid. You can store it just like that, like I said earlier. So this is a very, very beautiful product. It makes a lot of sense. I'm going to be using this a whole lot, and I admire it so much. Now I wish I got it in maybe the lilac, because I don't think I have a lilac pot yet, but I wish I had it in lilac now. Lilac and pink are not so different, but hey, let's just stick with what we have here. So I'm just showing the rest of the product. You can see this is a deeper pan for maybe deep frying, like on the stove, not deep frying in an air fryer, but deep frying on the stove. And then this is the second handle. I don't even think I'm gonna use both of them at the same time, to be honest. I'm just gonna use one first because one works, except even if I'm going to be cooking different things at the same time, it's still not going to be a problem. They are not all going to be cooked at the same time probably anyway. So yeah, you can just bring out one handle and use it for a while, and then keep the other one, or depend on you. And then this is the wider pan inside. So it's wider, it's still deep, but it's just a bit wider than the previous one. Guys, like I said, this box had a lot of pots in. I didn't even know it was this much. I knew I bought it, right? But I totally forgot until the product came and I unboxed it and I saw that there were actually lots of pots in it. I think this is like a 6 set, 3 pans, 3 pots, which was genius. So yes, I loved it. And this is the flatter frying pan in the box, the one everybody knows, But yeah, and this was really, really wide. I probably should have measured this to actually give the direct centimeter and inches, but hey, hopefully the visuals can show what exactly is in it. So guys, that's all that was in this product. It was really, really nice. It's a very beautiful product. Gourmetifics, that's the name I found. They popped up on my page. I saw the reviews. They were beautiful. And then I got myself one because I love to cook. So yes, and the product works perfectly. It works so well. And they also gave a gift in the pack as well, which I thought was genius. So as you can see, I'm putting back all of the pots back in it. So that's 3 pans and then 2 pots, I think. Yeah, 2 pots and then 2 lids and then 2 pot covers and also 2 hands and then the whole utensils for all of the products. So that works very, very well for me. I'm glad I got this product. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to fix the rest of the lids of the pot later. I'm not going to do that right now, just so this video does not get too long. But yes, I'm just going to store everything right back and then show you guys the rest of the products that came in this box. So guys, short break. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't liked, if you haven't shared, please make sure you do so. Just click on the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you. So this is the other product that came in the box. Guys, these are the utensils. First of all, the advert said there were 10 utensils, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just going to show you guys their silicone. Guys, switch to silicone. Stop using metal to scrape metal. Use silicone. Go silicone. It is safer for the environment and for your health. Make sure you do that. So basically, these are all the products that came for the utensils that came. They were basically a steal because they were so cheap. They were almost free. And then, I have most of this set before, but it doesn't really hurt to have more because sometimes some go missing, some get spoiled. And then I have these ones that are so nice, guys, so nice. I've always wanted a deep spoon, so yes, that was going to come in handy. And then my spatula. You can never have too much spatula, guys. You can never have too much spatula. Just ensure you change them where it becomes necessary. Make sure you do that. And then my pasta game is gonna be stepped up with that. And then more spoons. Who wouldn't like more spoons, right? And then my brush for where I wanna, paint my stuff and marinate stuff into the oven. And then I got this as well. So basically, I love this. I didn't even know about, usually the ones I have are the ones that the irons hold it for you. But apparently this one, you click the bottom and you click the top and it locks and then it releases. So pull it out, it locks, pull it back in, it releases. That's so cool. I've never had one that actually has this feature. So this is a plus in my collection. And then more for frying, without oil. And then other one for whatever you choose to do with it, to be honest. And then my whisk, guys. And the whisk is actually silicone as well. That's just amazing. So they said this was a 10 product and this was actually 11 for me. So guys, I approve. This was a very beautiful one. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share. And thank you so much for your support. I do not take it for granted. Bye.